Alright, here we got a Sefaspe welding machine. Shipped to me from China. Do a little review on it. It's 120 volt. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try TIG welding with it. I know it's a stick welder, but I've always heard you could TIG weld with these, so we're going to try that out first. See how that works. Polarity's reversed. We're going to try it out here. And it was pretty impressive. That did a little scratch start right away, and she lit up, and it stayed buzzing pretty good. Very quiet. Fan runs all the time, which is typical on these little ones, inverter welders. But throwing in some filler rod there, and just to check it out, I was pretty impressed. So I did this a little while, and it seemed to work out pretty good. I didn't have any real good clean metal to work with, but I was just trying to do what I could to see if it was gonna work, and it did. I actually didn't think it was gonna. But I go on to doing a little stick welding also with this machine after this. But we'll take a look at these welds here quick. They're not the prettiest. I'm not the best TIG welder, but it's actually working pretty good. It can be done with this machine. Can also run this machine with a generator, which I did. I tried that out too, and that works out really well if you wanted to do a portable type service. It's very small, easy, portable, and you can carry it pretty much anywhere. There I am using some 7014 rod, and that seemed to work pretty good. 6010, I was not a fan of using it with this machine. It didn't seem like it worked the best. They did have some rod with it. I couldn't really read the numbers, but their rod did work. I went on to buy some Lincoln rod, and it seemed to work pretty good for what you're seeing here, the 120 volt. It gets it done. That's 14 gauge material there I'm welding with. It can probably do a lot heavier. You can go all the way up to 120 amps on this machine. There it is. Just did a straight pass there. Slag comes off pretty good. I did use some stainless rod at one time with this welder in it. That worked out really well. Stainless did. I had a DeWalt bag I had left over. I put it all in there, and it fits perfect, and it's got its new home now in that bag. Here I am. I tried it out on the generator. Working out really well. There I'm welding some more rusty metal. There's some stainless right there.
Well, it doesn't do too bad on
there again, it is a stick welder, but it does work. It does have like a 60% duty cycle on it, so I didn't weld with it enough to overheat it, but I'm sure it could be done. But anyway, it was a pretty good little machine.